surprise, Kristen got me the birthday package, and we were upgraded to a balcony suite. Kristen also got me a happy birthday cake. So we finished the safety briefing and we are now preparing to set sail and head out to the Gulf of Mexico. So we are officially settled in to our room on the boat. We got our workout in. We're about to go to dinner. Then we're gonna get some drinks, watch the Patriots play the Houston Texans, and we are just going to enjoy a nice peaceful evening on the boat. Tomorrow is a fun day at sea, but this is gonna be the last time I talk for this video. I hope you guys enjoy what you've seen so far and enjoy the rest of this B-roll. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it's day number 2 on the boat. Today is a fun day at sea. We are going to be laying out, hitting a few events, and I'm going to take you on a hyperlapse tour of the boat.
Let's go.